Today we will solve one question of compound microscope. In this question it's given the focal length of the objective lens is 2 cm and the focal length of the eyepiece is 6.25 cm. Then the distance between these two lenses that is given, that is 15 cm. You have to calculate the position of the object when the final image is at least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 cm, and the final image is at infinity. Both the cases you have to calculate the position of the object. Also you have to calculate the magnifying power in each case. So let us see how to solve this question. So see how to calculate this numerical. What else it is given? Focal length of the eyepiece is given, that is 6.25 centimeter. Then image distance from the eyepiece is given, that is minus 25 centimeter. What you will calculate? You have to calculate first UE. So calculate UE. How to calculate UE? 1 by UE minus 1 by VE minus 1 by FE. So you can calculate UE by using this equation, and finally you got UE is equal to minus 5 centimeter. So UE means the distance of the object from the eyepiece. So then from here to here it is 5 centimeter. The distance between these two, that is given 15 centimeter. So that's distance between the objective lens and the image. That is how much? 15 minus 5, that is 10 centimeter. The image formed by the objective lens acts as the object for the eyepiece. That already we discussed. So we got it that. Then next is, now we have the image distance for objective lens and the focal length of the objective lens. Again we use the lens formula, 1 by VO minus 1 by UO is equal to 1 by FO. From that formula you calculate what is the value of UO. It is coming minus 2.5 centimeter. Now we have to calculate magnification. The formula you already know it, VO by UO into 1 plus D by FE. VO is the image distance from the objective lens, UO is the objective distance from the object lens, then D is the least distance of distinct vision, F is the focal length. Here D we will take as 25 centimeter only. Why? Because when we derive this formula, we already put the sign convention there. The value of D, that is 25 centimeter. That is actually the value. That is why again we are not putting the sign convention. So after putting this whole value, you are getting it is minus 20 centimeter. Now the second case, if the final image is at infinity, where is the position of the object? For that again we will see what is the position of the image from the eyepiece. You know, final image is at infinity, that means V is equal to infinity. Then by using the formula 1 by V minus 1 by UE is equal to 1 by FE. So V is equal to, FE is equal to 6.25 centimeter. Now again we will calculate how much is VO. VO is 15 minus 6.25, that is 8.75 centimeter. Now by using the formula 1 by VO minus 1 by UO is equal to 1 by FO. From that we will write 1 by UO is equal to 1 by VO minus 1 by FO. Then put the value here. You know the focal length of the objective lens, that is 2 centimeter. After putting these all values, you are getting it is minus 2.59 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the magnifying power. For the magnifying power, we know the formula VO by UO into D by FE. VO by UO, that is VO is, you know it is 8.75, UO it is 2.59, and D is 25 centimeter, and FE that is 6.25 centimeter. After putting that, we will get the value minus 13.5. This both the cases you can see that in the final answer negative sign is there. The negative sign shows that the final image is inverted.